What's up, guys? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. I'm here in a 2015 Buick Regal, and it says T afterwards, so I'm hoping it's the turbo. And if it is, this is the same engine that's in our Saab 9.3, correct? Oh, it's not. There it goes. A little long on the cranking. We do have a check engine light. 110,000 miles. A little high for a 15. Not terrible, I guess. It's clean. It's in great shape. Heated seats, dual zone climate control. We do have some multimedia up here. What we got?
Say an audio command.
Yeah,
Goodbye.
whatever. Okay. Goodbye. Don't think we have any nav or anything like that. Got OnStar nav. Huh. But God, this is a clean little rig. I mean, seats are in great shape. This thing has not been beat on at all. Oh yeah, got our books. Fairly clean back there. I have never driven one of these. I've always wanted to, though. The Buick Regal. It's having a hard time running. Maybe, oh, it just stalled. I'll be darned. This could be fun, guys. Let's have a little fun. I mean, the way they finish the inside of these is really nice. Feels nice. But yeah, we've got, feels very smooth. I'm pretty positive. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. If this is just not the same variant of turbocharged engine that's in our 2011 Saab 9.3. And what would be causing it to start, long start, and then it stalled, and I got a check engine light. Same reasons shit like that happens on a Saab 9.3. Man, it feels just like the Saab. Shift's good, got good power. I mean, it's a champ. But it does have a little issue. I didn't bring my code reader with me today. Sounds good. It makes great power. But I'm just not sure what we might have going on here. Died again. I'll be darned. I want y'all to see how good looking this car is. All right, keep running. Come on, you can do it. I mean, I've always liked the Buick Regal. I mean, is this what the last Saab 9.5, the 2010, 2011 9.5, is this the platform it was based off of? Is that my 2.0 from my Saab 9.3? There's some information here. 2.0 L, and it's turbocharged. It's got to be a variant of the same engine. And it's having a hard time. I don't know what's going on here. I do smell some oil burning, so it's definitely leaking some oil somewhere. That would be very typical. But you know, our Saab wagon used to stall out like that sometimes. You'd put it in gear and it'd just stall right out. Crank right back up. Sometimes it was a long start. Sometimes the check engine light was on. Sometimes it wasn't. This is the refreshed Regal with the newer rear end and tail end. Driver's seat, I mean, it ain't cracked or torn. It just needs a good cleaning. Man, that's a nice car with new tires. And it really runs good, but it definitely has a few troubles. That trouble me. And I can smell oil. Yeah, we got a leak in valve cover gasket. For sure. Well, there's another one, guys. I've got to head to the office. Only recording a few cars today because I got to head to the office. We got a title problem with one of the cars we bought. So I got to go inside and speak to Betty. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Y'all have a good one. Peace.